It's been a while since we've been here, but the Cryptoys team was nice enough to give a Christmas discount on Masters of the Universe all waves, so we picked up 5 wave 1s and 5 wave 2s. And if we look here, the reason why I did 1 and 2 was because we really need that Battle Cat, right? Because the common's Cringer, so that's like the regular Battle Cat is the uncommon, so we need that. We have absolutely no Grails and no Ultra Grails, and look, we're really light on the Epics. But in Wave 3, we have some of the Epics, so I figured, we need rares, and we need all the Epics here. So 1 and 2 felt like the right move, right? So we're going to do that thing where we pick a cube, and if it's a dupe, we go again. If it's a dupe, we go again, and again and again.
Which one has Battle Cat? Which way?
1. So now here's the question. I don't remember which cube is wave 1 and wave 2. I think these yellow ones are wave 1. I think
the top is wave 1.
I remember this logo looking like the H and the M that He-Man wore on his chest when it first came out when I was a kid.
I think this one.
So I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure, but I'm not all the way sure, and I should have paid attention when I bought. So we don't know. So we'll see. It's either wave 1 or wave 2. We don't know which one's which. So pick a row, buddy, and then it'll be what it'll be. So which row do you want to do? Top row or bottom row?
On top.
Top? Okay. And starting with the left. Row
always,
1.
Yep, always 1.
Always 1. Row 1, cube 1. All right.
1, 1, 1.
1, 1, 1.
1, 1,
Oh, this is wave 2. I just saw it. It came up.
Oh.
So. Alrighty. I always forget how loud Masters of the Universe is.
This music's loud too.
Alrighty. So wave 2. So what are we looking for? I think for this one, really, the Peppermint Orco was a big one for us. The Orange Peel Trapjaw was another big one. So we'll see.
Yep.
Here we go. It's Christmas time. Is Santa going to come early and hook us up with some things we don't have?
Yeah.
Let's see. And it's a common Trapjaw, which, of course, we have.
Oh.
So.
Yeah.
All right, Trapjaw. Look at that. All right. So we're going right back to the backpack. Back to our wrapped items. Not our wrapped items, our cubes. And for those of you who haven't seen this yet, right, look, we've got our toys. We've got our wrapped cubes, our wrapped toys. We've got our cubes. And then items are all of those golden tickets. And we haven't seen what they're going to be used for yet.
200 wrapped.
Okay, so now, yeah, we did this green one. So we're just doing the next green one. Next wave 2.
Yeah.
Keep going.
1. 2, 1, 1.
2, 1, 1?
Yeah.
What does that mean?
Wave 2. Cube 1. Row 1.
Gotcha. Alrighty. Here we go!
Oh.
Uh-oh. Oof. Made me nervous. And it's a rare Orco, Terracotta Orco. I'm pretty sure we have the rare Orco.
Many?
We don't have the rare Orco, so check that out. All right. Well, then there it is.
Bye-bye.
Rare Orco. Look at him. He looks like chocolate, but he's not.
Yep, he is a computer.
There we go. All right. Well, there it is. Terracotta clay, not chocolate, even though he looks like a little fudge yummy magician.
Yep, he is not chocolate.
Okay, everybody, that's it. Look at that. So you got 2, right? We 1 dupe and 1 new one, and we get to move on, which is amazing, and we'll see you for more.